I can't believe we're doing this. I'm probably going to post this video tomorrow, but you can see the date. So I got an iPhone 6 Plus and an iMac in the same day. What is going on, Josh? Well, let's do this. I've never opened one of these before, and I want to. Okay, I think it opens from the other side here. And then, got some stuff here. Oh man, I'm gonna break this on camera, on video. I don't know how this works. Let me get this out of here. Okay, this lifts off. That's loud. Very loud. Power cord. This sucker is huge. I don't know if this goes back or forward or I don't know. Oh, hey, it slides. Okay. Slides that way. And there's stuff right here on the bottom, so let's pull that off. That to the side. I'm gonna break this. I know I am. Oh. Alright. This box is huge. Alright. And this sucker weighs quite a bit. This. Oh, it's crazy. It's like a sticker thing. And then we have this. I just want to tear it. I'm impatient. I want to edit videos with Final Cut Pro. And gotta have a Mac with Final Cut Pro. I'll still use my Asus G750JH. Google that if you want to. Republic of Gamers laptop for editing on the go. This will be for home videos. Alright. We're slowly getting there. There's a lot to this. Oh my goodness, this is insane. Alright, here we go. I'll just go ahead and get a little pan on the back here. SD card, USB, looks like there's 4 of them. Thunderbolt, Ethernet, a headset, and then the power cord goes here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and put this in here. Oh, and the RAM, I can go ahead and upgrade that. There's a little button right here to upgrade that. I will have to do that because this one didn't come with that much. Oh, well, as much as I'd like. My laptop actually has more RAM than this one does, but that's okay. Alright. Well, I don't have an extension cord. I don't really have a place to plug this in, so yeah, that was an unboxing of the 27-inch iMac that will be my new video editing machine if it works out well. If it doesn't, then I'll just return it.